Hey friends, if you wish to fix exFAT file system volmgr.sys blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check for updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then select all of these options here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.